Welcome to the Jamf 100 course. This is Nate coming to you from Jamf. In this introduction, we will be exploring the content contained in this course. To start out, the Jamf 100 course is the first of 4 sequential courses offered by Jamf. The purpose of the 100 course is to provide foundational information about iOS, macOS, tvOS, and a broad understanding of the management capabilities we have available using Jamf Pro and mobile device management. The content in this course is built upon the succeeding courses, starting with the Jamf 200. Jamf offers 4 courses total, the 100, 200, 300, and 400. For more information about our advanced courses, visit jamf.com/training. If we take a look at the 100 course in our browser here, we'll see on the left side it's broken down into 9 sections. Our first section is the overview. The second section covers competencies for Apple's mobile operating system, iOS, including setup, navigating the user interface, configuring settings, and more. From there, we'll move to Section 3, where we'll take a broad but comprehensive look at managing mobile devices with Jamf Pro. We'll explore mobile device management, or MDM, Jamf Pro, and options for enrolling and provisioning devices, managing device behavior, taking inventory, and organizing our devices within our server. With tvOS, we can do more than ever with Apple TV. That's why in Sections 4 and 5, we'll explore the tvOS Setup Assistant, interface, and management options with both Jamf Pro and Apple Configurator 2. In Section 6, we'll complete the macOS Setup Assistant, explore both the graphical and command line interfaces, and learn about the file and storage structure of computers. Similar to Section 3, Section 7 involves managing computers with Jamf Pro. Some of the topics we'll tackle include MDM, Apple's deployment and provisioning services, enrollment, inventory collection and organization, app deployment, and issuing remote commands. In Section 8, we can reflect on what we've learned and prepare for next steps, one of which may include the Jamf Certified Associate exam. An overview of what's included on the exam and a practice exam is available in Section 9. Should you opt for the Jamf Certified Associate exam, it is available for purchase in English, German, French, and Japanese in Section 9. The certification includes 60 multiple-choice questions. If certification is awarded, a badge is added to your Jamf Nation profile and a certificate is issued to you. As a reminder, the exam is based on the content in the Jamf 100 course. This course has a total of 53 lessons, and each lesson follows a similar format. Below the lesson title, we spell out our objective, what we hope to accomplish in this lesson. Under our objective is a short video taught by Jamf instructors from around the world who go through the content of this lesson in a little more detail. Under that, our key points contain important information called out in the video for reference now or in the future. From there, we have some navigational aid to help us along in Jamf Pro when we put this information into practice. We have review questions to reinforce some of the content covered above, and finally, a few practice tasks for those hands-on learners with access to a test or development instance of Jamf Pro. And I say test because we do not recommend performing these tasks in your production or day-to-day server. We wrap up most lessons with relevant resources for further investigation on the topics covered. A few words on navigation. At the bottom, we can move throughout the course with our directional arrows. There's also the option to use the sidebar to navigate between sections and lessons. And finally, there's a search function at the top of the screen. This will follow us as we navigate the interface. On a final note, the 100 course does follow a structure. Lessons build on each other throughout. However, if time is a concern or you would like to cover content on, say, iOS, we encourage you to explore content that is relevant to your interests. Or perhaps your macOS and iOS knowledge is solid, but Jamf Pro and mobile device management is an unfamiliar territory. Feel free to dive into Sections 3, 5, and 7. It's your call. However you would like to approach the content, whichever way is most beneficial to you, is what we're going for. This concludes Lesson 1. Up next is Section 2, iOS Core Competencies. Thank you for joining us in the Jamf 100 course, and we'll talk with you soon.